Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AudioJungle music placement with Premiere Pro tempo mapping step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import the video clips you want to work with. Import the AudioJungle music track you are planning to use. Drag your video clips to the timeline. Position the AudioJungle music track on the audio layer below your video clips. Listen to the music track and identify its tempo. Use a metronome app or online tool if necessary to confirm the beats per minute, or BPM. Select a section of your video that you want to sync with the music. Zoom in on the timeline for better precision. Set markers on your video clips where key moments occur, especially those that should align with the beats. To create tempo mapping, right-click on the AudioJungle music track in the timeline. Select Show Clip Keyframes and then Time Remapping. Hold the Control key, or Command key on Mac, and drag the top edge of the audio. Adjust the speed of the music track where it needs to sync with your markers. Be mindful of the audio quality, extreme adjustments may lead to distortion. Continue to adjust the tempo until the key moments in your video align perfectly with the beats of the music. Play the timeline to review the synchronization between the music and the video. Make further adjustments as necessary to ensure everything fits seamlessly. Once satisfied with the sync, finalize your edits and export your project. Your AudioJungle music should now be perfectly mapped to the tempo of your visuals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.